Is it time to buy or sell Roblox stock? In this video, we will explore Roblox in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 15th of August, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 15th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Roblox as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.05. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 55.27% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 55.27% to 94.63%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 118.28%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 46.14% to 162.60% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $171.48 and $308.14. Our latest daily update for Roblox includes the headline, "A very red day for Roblox stock price after a decline of 6.34% in the Friday trading session." The Roblox stock price decreased by 6.34% on the last day, Friday, the 15th of August, 2025, dropping from $125.28 to $117.34. It has now declined for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.02%, ranging from a low of $112 to a high of $117.62. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.15% during this period. Trading volume increased on the last day by 13 million shares, although this occurred amidst falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that risk could rise slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 19 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.19 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $150.56, while the lowest was $37.50. Currently, the price stands 22.06%, or $33.22, below the 52-week high of $150.56, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Louisiana's Attorney General has initiated a lawsuit against Roblox, alleging that the platform facilitates child sexual abuse and takes advantage of deficiencies in safety controls. On the same day, Roblox publicly refuted these claims. The legal filings, in conjunction with increasing criticism regarding the company's child safety measures, caused a significant drop in stock value. Shares fell by more than 10% during the trading day as investors responded to the heightened legal and reputational risks. In the short term, anticipate fluctuations, potential lawsuits, regulatory scrutiny, and pullbacks from advertisers or partners may put pressure on revenue and lead to increased moderation and compliance costs, impacting both stock performance and overall sentiment. The market's unease is likely to intensify any short-term earnings variations. Despite the recent momentum in user growth, looking towards the long term, the outcome will depend on execution. Roblox continues to demonstrate robust daily active user growth and potential for monetization. However, ongoing safety issues or expensive remedial actions could hinder valuation, slow user engagement, and increase operational expenses. On the other hand, effective solutions, improved moderation technology, and transparent policies could rebuild trust and reinforce the narrative of scalable revenue from its extensive user base, ultimately stabilizing shares over time. Keep an eye on legal developments, moderation expenditures, and user metrics. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned RBLX a buy grade alongside a hold action. On Saturday, the 12th of July, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley gave RBLX an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned RBLX a buy grade with a hold action. On Sunday, the 22nd of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS provided RBLX with a buy grade and a hold action. On Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup gave RBLX an overweight grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Roblox stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also categorize the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Roblox. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Roblox stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. On upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at $126.86 and $118.42. A breakout above either of these levels would issue buy signals. Additionally, a sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 31st, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 14.84%. Further decline is suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is an ongoing sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 82 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 72 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Roblox. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $95.80 and $94.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Roblox finds support just below today's level at $95.80. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $94.20 and $89.95. This stock experiences average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $5.62 between its high and low, which represents 5.02%. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.49%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Roblox, let's briefly address some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of October, 2025. Analysts currently project consensus estimates to be negative 440 thousandths of a dollar. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Roblox. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Roblox is at $124.50. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Roblox encounters its first support level at $95.80. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Roblox from various analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Let's delve into some recent insider trades. On the 7th of August, 2025, David Baszucki executed an insider sale of 1,143,191 shares of Class B common stock. On the same day, David Baszucki also conducted an insider purchase of 1,143,191 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of August, 2025, Anthony P. Lee executed an insider sale of 50,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Matthew D. Kaufman executed an insider sale of 6,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of August, 2025, David Baszucki sold 875 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.668. In total, insiders acquired 4,435,680 shares and divested 6,682,356 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Roblox stock a good buy? The Roblox stock is currently showing several negative signals, and despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Roblox will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation from a buy to a strong sell. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 18th of August, we expect Roblox to open lower by $1.69, starting at $115.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.